What is joint tenancy? Joint tenancy is a way that multiple people can own a piece of property or an asset. This is a very common way for people to own an asset between husband and wife or between brother and sister. You can take ownership to the property as joint tenants. What that means is while you're alive, you both have access to the asset, and then when the first passes away, the asset will pass to the survivor without having to go through court. So this can be a way of avoiding probate. The downside, however, is that after the second person passes away, or the last owner, those assets would be subject to probate if there's no other joint owner. So it only has limited availability to avoid probate. The other downside is that when you have multiple joint owners, this means that the asset is subject to the creditors, predators, and liabilities of any of the joint tenants. And so this could be particularly troublesome if you are holding joint title with, for example, a parent or a brother or sister. You have now exposed those assets to their liabilities and creditors. And so oftentimes using a trust or an LLC or a different entity is the preferred way of holding the asset, so you still maintain the control, you can avoid probate, but then you limit the liability and exposure of the other joint owners.